Hi, my name is Tyler and I'm going to make a video out of my Bruder cement mixer. I got it this Christmas, so I'll show you what to do. So you put water in here and it comes out the hose, and this can come off, so I would try not to, so that just unwinds. And I've already put in some cement, but I'm going to put more. And this is actually quite stretchy, so you just have to like stretch it. And this can open. And just get the bucket on the side and just scoop some cement. And just put it in here. If there's some left, just push it in and wind it up. And just like that. And unwind it. And I hope you enjoyed it.